Hello everyone, thank you so much for subscribing my channel Mahesh English Times. I'm getting so many questions and reviews from people who are watching my channel, especially the PhD aspirants. So this video is dedicated to those people who are still confused on what should be the topic and title of my PhD thesis, because I'm getting maximum questions from this area. What topic should I choose, ma'am? What should be the topic? So I have already given enough videos. Many videos are there on autobiographies, on sports personalities, on lesbian literature, on Dalit literature, transgender, subaltern literature, so diasporic literature. All these videos are already there if you search in my channel, which will give a clue to you on which topic you can do your PhD. But one thing is there, that if you're still confused which topic to choose, you can take up one theme which is contemporary in the society today, and you can link it to the novels. Like if you see in the society that people are suffering because of COVID-19 pandemic, many have lost their very closed ones, and so psychological problems have emerged. Many children have become orphans. Their parents have died, both their parents have died, or people have lost their closed ones, they have lost their jobs. So there are so many problems that have emerged, and people are suffering psychologically because of this pandemic situation. Now, if you take up this theme and link it to the books which are also dealing with similar topics, where the characters have lost their real, the loved ones, or the characters have lost their jobs and they are suffering. So if you can link this theme with those novels and take up 2, 3, 4 novels like this, which are dealing with this particular themes of loss, of suffering, of the traumatic situation after a particular pandemic that has emerged. Like even during World War I, World War II, many novels were written what were the aftermath or the outcome of World War, and so many families got infected. Like similarly, there was a tragedy, Bhopal gas tragedy in 1982, where so many people collectively lost their lives. So many novels and books and poems were written during those times related to that tragedy. So similarly, linking this tragedy to the novels who are dealing with similar themes, you can make your thesis. 4 to 5 novels you choose, link it with the contemporary theme, because your PhD should give a message to the society. Your PhD should be a research which is having an outcome. It is not an essay, it is not an analysis that you are doing, but you are coming up with something new. That is research. What research have you done? So we are researching the psyche of individuals affected or suffering around you, and link it with literature, link it with novels which are showing similar themes, at how a character suffers because somebody dies, how a character suffers because somebody loses a job, how a character is suffering, and you choose those 2, 3 novels and then make it a part of your PhD thesis and do your thesis on it. So link your themes with contemporary issues so that you can bring about a message to the society, and that was real research. When your thesis is coming up with some message, with some solution to the problems, that is real research, and this is what a research scholar's aim should be. It is not an analysis, an essay that you are writing. You bring about a change in your life as well as the lives of other people. You are impacting them by your research. That should be the motto. Then your research is worthwhile. So try to link the contemporary theme with literature. Suppose children are facing certain problems. If you take up the section of only children, so children are facing some problems. They are not going to school. They are staying at home with their parents. They are not even going for outdoor activities because of this lockdowns. And so what impact has those children have? And you explore that kind of themes in children literature. There are many writers who are writing basically on children literature. So explore that and link that contemporary theme with those novels and make it a part of your PhD thesis. So this is one idea. Try to explore it. All those who are still confused about which topic to write, I am there to help you. My contact details are given in the description box. You can WhatsApp me and you can message me, and do my courses on synopsis writing, thesis writing, viva preparation. I have courses for each one of you who are in this journey of research. I am there to help you. So contact me. Thank you so much for watching.